Um, I want to show you the new update of Blue Train and Friends. What I'm saying is that the update really sucks, you see, because look here. They put the track in the wrong place. This is a disgrace to humanity. Also, how about we go, look for an engine that does not tumble over and capsize, which Thomas did one time. It's just that, I wasn't able to show that because my recording broke down. Well, here is Duck and Oliver. I hope I can actually use them and I can have a purpose actually playing this game. So far, so good. This is quite nice. The game actually works, which is my favorite part. Now, how about we just reverse the soda to pick up a train or something? Okay, oh, here it is. Guys, I'm just gonna keep reversing. Well, that explains it all.